Today I'm gonna show you how to stylize your portraits in Photoshop. So here we have our 4 portraits, and just simply go to filter and stylize and choose oil paint. You can play around, you can do anything you want. There are no rules, you can do anything basically. And voila. Now go to the next portrait and do the same thing and choose wind. And you can also see the difference in the small bar, and you can also play around and do the thing as you like. And we will do the same with our next portrait, and you can choose styles and you can change the number. Let's go with 55. Now change the number to 10 and you will see bigger tiles. And lastly we will choose extrude, and it's a very fun and unique digitalized version of a photo. And yeah, so basically this is how you can stylize your photos in Photoshop simply.